Welcome to watch today's fresh home. Downie North transforms a modest semi-detached home in Sydney's east into a layered, light-filled family sanctuary defined by curved geometry, crafted detail, and an intuitive sense of flow. Set on a north-facing corner block in Queen's Park, the original two-bedroom house was spatially limited and ill-equipped for the needs of its growing young family. What began as a simple renovation evolved into something more ambitious, a compact yet finely tuned residence that balances domestic intimacy with space to move, breathe, and grow. Rather than overbuild, Downie North tucked the new upper level into the pitch of the original roof, a move that maintained access to northern light and protected the neighbors' clerestory windows. From the street, folded metal awnings and timber batten screens offer both privacy and softness.